Welcome to my channel. I hope that my visual videos inspire you to create amazing, beautiful, wonderful creations with plastic canvas. And this is my second box holder, plastic canvas holder. The other one, the partitions were shorter and smaller, but this one I've made it bigger. So with that being said, that was one side. This is the other side. And I made it a little bit shorter because it really doesn't need to be that tall on this side. This is the back, which I won't see, and it will help support the plastic. And then this is the front, which is cute. And then this gives me easy access to kind of grab what I want. And then this is one end of the canvas. And then this is the other end. And then we have the divider. And then on the insides, it's just clear. And then one base clear. It's double. All of this is double. There's two pieces so that it's a little thicker and sturdy. The only part that's not two pieces is the bottom. Well, how can you make one? It is basically a sheet. Just take this sheet, cut it in half or a little more over half of it. And then for the sides, you do the same thing. You just figure out the side. You can cut the plastic canvas in half, stitch your design like I did, and whatever's extra, just cut off the excess. So it's pretty simple. And then of course your ends, these are going to be the size of whatever this is. This is the length of the actual canvas, so there's no cutting to that. This you'll have to actually get the sides will be shorter. The middle piece and then the end piece. So there's only 3 pieces that you'll have to get from the sides, but the front and the back are the same length as this, and determining the height is whatever design you want. So as you see here, I did the 2 plaids, dark lights on this side and then dark light on this side. And then I wanted it to go all the way to the top, like you see here. I wanted it to be the exact height because this is the back side, and when you put the canvas in it, you know, right, there you go. I'm just throwing it in there, you know, it's gonna just go in there. And then if you have some pieces that are already created on, designed, you know, you may want to put it on this end, you know, or whatever, however you want to organize your plastic canvas. So that's the great thing. And then the shorter side is so I can kind of flip through like a book and get the pieces that I need. And then the back side, as you see, kind of supports the canvas. And all the pieces are double-sided. They all have double sides. As you can see here, this is 2 pieces, this is 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces, and then 2 pieces. And the reason for that is I wanted to make sure that it is stable, but the bottom is not. It's just 1 piece. And nobody's ever going to see the bottom, so I don't see the point in wasting time decorating. But if you want to decorate your bottom, you're more than welcome to. So that's the holder that I have created to hold my plastic canvas. And then here I was trying to be cute, make it a little fancy, and when I got to here, I accidentally, when I first started, let's just say, I had cut too much. Then when I got here, I was like, oh, that would have been cute to leave a little section. So I wish I would have left this one here and then one right there, and then it would have been really cute because you'd had 2 here and then 2 here and then the divider holding this up. But that's okay. Probably works out for the best because as you can see, when I added plastic, it kind of pushed this out a little bit. So that's kind of probably what you're going to need anyway. So it probably worked out for the best. But I hope you enjoy this visual tutorial. I love green. That's my favorite color. And then the cute little side. So thanks for watching. I hope this visual video inspires you to create plastic canvas projects and inspires you to be creative in designing your own creations and unique things. So this is the second time I've ever made a little holder type thing. And you can probably put other stuff in here, but this one is strictly for my plastic canvas. I'm trying to organize it a little better on my desk so it doesn't look like such chaos. So have a wonderfully blessed day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.